In the vast meadow surrounded by rolling hills, Thunder, the majestic stallion, galloped alongside Blaze, their hooves creating a rhythmic symphony on the earth. Luna, with her snowy white coat, followed closely, her curiosity piqued by the sparkling stream ahead. As they reached the stream, Luna's eyes widened. The rare flower, nestled among lush grasses, was a delicate masterpiece, a star blossom. Its petals shimmered like moonlight, and its fragrance hung in the air, drawing in butterflies and bees. The family gathered around, their breaths held in awe. Birds perched on the branches of the tall oak tree, their melodious songs echoing through the meadow. A pair of bluebirds flitted above, their azure feathers contrasting against the green backdrop. Daisy, the golden-coated mare, nuzzled Thunder, her eyes reflecting the warmth of the sun. Blaze nudged Luna playfully, urging her to explore further. Luna's hooves brushed against wildflowers, violets, daisies, and buttercups, each one a tiny burst of color. The stream whispered secrets as it flowed, and dragonflies danced above its surface. Thunder, wise and steady, lowered his head to examine the star blossom. "This flower," he said, "is a bridge between our world and the ethereal. It blooms only where peace reigns, where the untouched beauty of nature thrives." Daisy nodded, her gaze soft. "Let's remember this moment," she whispered. "Our family, together, discovering the magic hidden in the heart of the meadow." Daisy nodded, her gaze soft. And so, beneath the open sky, surrounded by birds, butterflies, and the gentle roll of hills, the family reveled in the enchantment of the star blossom, a testament to love, curiosity, and the beauty that flourishes in untouched places.